Welcome sa sit9.com. In this video ay tutuloy natin ang ating series on basic geometry, no? At ang pag-uusapan natin dito sa video na ito ay adjacent angles and linear pairs, no? So siguro sa tagal na nating nag-aaral ng mathematics dito sa sit9.com ay malamang narinig nyo na yung word na adjacent, no? So usually ang ibig sabihin ng adjacent in real life or in everyday usage ay magkatabi, no? So dito ang gagawin natin is to define ibig sabihin ng word na adjacent angles, no? So makikita ninyo dito sa unang set of angles natin, no? We have angles CAD and angles DAB, no? So, yung mga angles na yan ay magkatabi, no? So, paano ba pag sinasabi natin na adjacent angles? Una, yung angle CAD tsaka DAB ay meron silang common side, no? Ang common side nila is ito, yung part na to, no? Pag-aralan natin that array can be a side pag array is called a side kung angles na yung pinag-uusapan, no? So this side is common to both these angles, yung CAD tsaka angle DAB. So isa yan, meron silang common side. Secondly, meron silang common vertex which is A, no? Pag-aralan din natin that yung ray o yung angle, yung pinaka dulo nila na kung saan nag-meet sila ay tawag natin yun is vertex, no? So, first, they have a common side. Second, they have the common vertex. And of course, they have to be on the same plane, no? Hindi pwedeng hindi sila coplanar. And thirdly, the interior points of CAD is different from the interior points of DAB. So, kung nasa interior ka nito, wala ka na sa interior nito, no? And I think this is obvious from the drawing, no? Kung nandito ka, syempre wala ka naman dito sa interior ng kabila. So, yan yung definition natin ng adjacent angles. So, pwede na natin i-define. So, adjacent angles are two coplanar angles that have a common vertex ano pa, and a common side but have no interior points in common. So yan yung ating definition ng adjacent. Siguro rakin natin ng konti, no? So this is number 1. Yung first definition natin. Kung mapapansin nyo sa pangalawang drawing natin, I think it's easy to see that angles HGF and angle HGF and angle HGE are also adjacent angles, no? Now, at makikita din natin dito that their sum is 180 degrees. So, this angle plus this angle is 180 degrees. Kita natin dyan dito sa green, no? Nilagyan ko na ng kulay green para kita natin. So, ang tawag naman natin dyan ay actually, kahit wala ito, no? Kahit wala itong part na ito, sorry. Kahit wala itong angle na ito, makita natin na 180 kasi opposite yung rays niya, di ba? So, pag collinear yan, pag on opposite directions, this is 180 degrees. So, pag yan ang condition, if they are, if two angles are adjacent and the exterior sides are opposite rays, ang tawag natin sa kanya ay linear pair, no? So, pwede nating i-define, no? So, two angles are a linear pair if and only if they are adjacent angles and their exterior angles and their exterior sides are opposite rays. exterior sides are opposite rays. Oops. Okay, so yan yung ating definition ng linear pair, no? Okay, so I think I'll make this also medium. And lastly, from the previous discussion, alam natin that if two angles are a linear pair, syempre since opposite yung kaniyang, since yung exterior sides ay opposite, of course, they add up to 180 degrees, no? So, yan yung pinaka third concept natin, no? If two angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. If two angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. Okay? So, yan. Supplementary, di ba? Ibig sabihin niyang supplementary is their sum is 180 degrees. I think we have learned that already in the series, yung complementary and supplementary angles. So that's it. Yan yung ating video on linear pair and adjacent angles. Gusto ko yung invite sa zipline.com. Nandito yung mga listahan ng ating mga videos. And of course, gusto ko rin kayo invite sa YouTube channel natin. I-click nyo lang yung ating subscribe button below the video para maging updated kayo every time na may bago tayong video. Maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.